Google Analytics now includes an AI Assistant channel group. This means you can report on the number of people who are finding your website when you're recommended by AI. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can report on your AI traffic and also share some important tips and limitations about the feature. Let's start by looking at where you can see AI Assistant in your reports. Let's head to Google Analytics. Let's navigate to Reports. And let's start by selecting Acquisition and then Traffic Acquisition. This report shows you all of the methods people use to start a session on your website. And if you scroll down, we can see AI Assistant listed in the table. Okay, so we can see AI Assistant, and this is the name that's automatically assigned to your inbound traffic from AI platforms. And if you're not familiar with channel groups in Google Analytics, they automatically combine different methods people use to find your website for top-level reporting. So before Google added the default AI channel group, your AI traffic was included in the referral group. The referral group includes all of your inbound traffic from third-party websites that don't fall into the other classifications. Apart from viewing these top-level classifications, you can also view more granular details about your AI traffic. One way to do this is to click the plus sign next to the default channel group. Now let's select Traffic Source and choose Session Source Medium. We can now see the channel on the left along with the source and medium on the right. We're currently looking at all of the methods people are using to find our website. So in the search bar above the table, let's enter AI Assistant and click Return. We can now see all of the traffic that's included in the AI Assistant channel group. Now, there are a couple of important things to highlight about the AI Assistant channel group. First, as we can see in the time series, the AI Assistant group only includes traffic from when the feature was added to our property. We did have referral traffic before the group was added, but this will appear with other channel classifications. To see this, let's change our search. Let's change AI Assistant to one of the AI platforms we can see in the report. Let's enter Gemini and click Return. We can now see our historical traffic from Gemini is included in the referral channel group, and we can also see it's now included in the AI Assistant channel group. So remember that historical data is not included in the new channel group for your AI traffic. The other important thing to highlight is that even after the AI Assistant channel is available, some of your AI traffic might not be included in the new channel group. This is because the new AI Assistant channel automatically classifies traffic based on predefined source and medium combinations. If traffic doesn't match these combinations, then it might appear within different channel groups. So you have a couple of options. You can leave the default channel group, or you can create a custom channel group to adjust what you see in your reports. If you'd like me to cover the steps to do this, let me know in the comments below. It's something I already cover in my Google Analytics course, but I might cover it in a future video too. One more thing I want to highlight is that Google Analytics is just reporting on AI traffic when people click through to your website. If your brand or website is mentioned, but people don't click through, then you won't see this in your reports. Okay, now before we wrap up, I want to show you where to find the channel group settings for your property. To do this, let's navigate to Admin. And let's select Data Display and then Channel Groups on the left. You will see any custom channel groups you created along with the default channel group. This is the one Google has updated to automatically report on our AI traffic. Let's select this. And if we scroll down to the very bottom, we can see AI Assistants. This is the condition in the default channel group that is classifying our AI traffic. And while we can't edit the default channel group, you can create your own if you want to customize it. So that's a look at the AI Assistant channel group you'll find in your reports. Have you seen it in your reports, and are you using it to report on your inbound AI traffic? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. To learn even more about Google Analytics, I recommend subscribing to this channel for my latest tutorials. And I also recommend checking out my Google Analytics course. I've included a link to my course in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.